In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress site on a subdomain using Hostinger. Whether you're setting up a new project, testing a plugin, or just experimenting with new themes, learning how to effectively create a subdomain and link it with WordPress can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple as possible for you. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger H panel. If you haven't been here in a while, don't worry, the layout is intuitive and user-friendly. Once you're logged in, look at the top of your dashboard for options like Home, Accounts, and most importantly for this task, Domains. Go ahead and click on Domains, and it'll expand into a few more options. One of these will be Subdomains. You'll want to select this option as it allows you to create a subdomain under the domain names you currently manage. Now within the Subdomain section, you should see a field that allows you to enter the subdomain name you wish to create. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify what this subdomain will be used for. For example, if you're setting it up to test a new WordPress theme, you could name it Test or New Theme. After deciding on a name, go ahead and create it by clicking on the appropriate button typically labeled something intuitive like Create or Add Subdomain. With your subdomain now created, let's move on to installing WordPress. Head back to the main section of your H panel. Here you'll find a tool called Auto Installer. Hostinger's Auto Installer simplifies many of the initial setup steps you'd otherwise have to do manually. Look for WordPress in the list of available applications. Once you locate it, select WordPress as the application to install. When prompted to choose a location for the installation, this is where you'll specify your newly created subdomain. You should see a drop-down list of your domains and subdomains. Carefully select the subdomain where you'd like WordPress installed. This ensures that the site you're building will appear at addresses like subdomain.yourdomain.com rather than your main domain. Once you've chosen the correct subdomain, proceed with the installation by following any additional on-screen instructions that Hostinger might prompt you with, usually relating to settings like your site's name and administrative credentials. And that's it, folks. You've successfully logged into Hostinger, created a subdomain, and installed WordPress on it. With these skills, you're well on your way to managing and deploying multiple WordPress sites with ease. Feel free to play around with the settings and customize your new site to your heart's content. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.